I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and the actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly pledge resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country.
Good morning everyone, respected director ma'am, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kavi Singh. I study in class 7th A and belong to Madhav House. Today I am going to speak about National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. To begin with, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave us Ek Bharat. Indians now have to collectively make Shresth Bharat. National Unity Day is observed on 31st of October every year all over India. It is celebrated to memorize the nation, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who united the nation. National Unity Day is also called Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The day was introduced by the Government of India in 2014 to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. He played a crucial role in India's freedom movement. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. National Unity Day is observed to acknowledge the efforts of Patel to unite the nation. India is a land of various religions, cultures, traditions, languages, etc. Through our country is a land of diversity. It is important to be united. The day spreads awareness about the importance of National Unity Day. On this day, every citizen of country should take the pledge of national unity to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation. Jai Hind, Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat.
He was the first Home Minister of independent India. हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी के बाद मध्य प्रदेश के राज्य प्रमुख सिंधिया वंश के राजा जीवाजी राव सिंधिया थे। ओके, उनको अधिकार दिया गया था कि पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में व्यवस्था, कानून, अच्छी संचालन आप करेंगे। लेकिन लौह पुरुष वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने ये रियलाइज किया कि अगर अभी भी टुकड़े बने रहेंगे तो हिंदुस्तान कभी भी आजाद नहीं हो सकता। फिर कोई बाहरी ताकत आएगी, फिर उसको तोड़ के फिर अपना प्रभुत्व बनाएगी। गॉट इट? तो सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने एक एक करके हर एक राजा के पास जाकर विचार विमर्श करना शुरू किया और उनको सबको समझाया कि एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, इसलिए अब हम एक भारत बनाएं, यूनिफाइड इंडिया। आपको मालूम है, आपके अपने विद्यालय में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल आए थे। आपकी लाइब्रेरी के बाहर एक बहुत बड़ी सी तस्वीर लगी हुई है, इसमें वो नजर आ रहे हैं। सरदार पटेल आपके
Today we celebrate the birth anniversary of the visionary Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His legacy of unity and determination continues to inspire us in this modern era. Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, played an important role in shaping our nation. Let's celebrate Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday as a day of unity, gratitude and national pride. Jai Hind.
Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar, was a lawyer by profession and political leader by choice. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. Vallabhbhai Jhaveri Bhai Patel was born in the city of Nadiyad in Gujarat. His parents, Jhaveri Bhai Patel and Ladba, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became one of the principal pillars of the nationalist struggle. Gandhi and Patel were arrested following the Dandi March. Patel was put on trial. Patel envisaged a dream of secular and united India. His primary task as the first Home Minister of India was the integration of princely states into the Union of India. This monumental task undertaken by Patel increased his popularity in the post-independence period. During this time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also came to Gwalior and visited our school as well. On 25th June 1947, the States Department was formed with Patel as the chairman and VP Menon as the secretary. Armed with the tact and diplomacy, VP Menon and Patel worked hand in hand for the integration of princely states. Furthermore, Patel was a part of the Constituent Assembly of India, which played a major role in drafting the Constitution of India. Patel headed the Provincial Constitution Committee, Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities and Tribal and Excluded Areas. He played a major role in the founding the Indian Administrative Service and Indian Police Service. He also worked to shield civil servants from political influence. He wanted all India services to be free of corruption, partiality and political attack.
एक